president of Forms Gears, which is a fully owned subsidiary of ASM Technologies. ASM Technologies is a public limited company, and they are mostly into engineering services, and they do other things like AI, digital enabling, things like that. Manufacturing engineering services. Forms Gears is a manufacturing company. We are a fixture building company, a tool room. So this is one of the oldest fixture building companies in India. In this year at IMTEX, we are highlighting a new vertical which we have just come out into the market, which is laser welding and hardening integration. So using laser sources, we give the customer a custom solution using robotics, automation, fixtures, etc. for welding and hardening. So that is one of the things we've displayed here. The other is, of course, one of our big fixtures, just to highlight and showcase our capabilities. It's a huge 3-meter cylinder block fixture, which is maintained at about 10 microns on assembly, because in engine block, engines require very high accuracy. So that's the kind of fixtures that we normally make. We design and manufacture these. So that is the highlight of this event. We also have AI, which is being developed by ASM Technologies, and we have a full engineering services manufacturing engineering team. We are close to about 2,200 people totally as a group. Laser welding is increasingly replacing conventional welding. So for the EV batteries, the bus bar welding is very critical, because you must have read in the papers of so many electric bikes catching fire and all that, right? It's actually due to these bus bars connecting with each other and short circuiting. So this laser is very, very precise, and there's very less heat generation. A little more heat generation than what you have planned. If that happens, the battery will explode. So laser welding for EVs is very important, especially for battery welding. So both for the bike and for the vehicles, those modules that you saw are stacked for the automobile, and the EV batteries for the bikes are the round ones that you see. Actually, what I find is that customers are increasingly looking for solutions more than products. So what they are interested is in the outcomes, not in however good your product is. How can it benefit us in cost per component? How can it reduce cycle time, operator dependency, safety, so many, enhance quality, so repeatability. Those are the kind of things that the customer is looking at increasingly. So actually, traditionally, we've been at the high end of the market. We don't compete at the lower end of the market at all. So, and each of those laser sources are very expensive, very, very expensive. You can buy a high-end luxury car with that amount of money. But at the same time, a lot of people are going in for that because the solution is technically superior and it works for a longer time. There are a lot of other benefits like cost. You calculate costs over a period of time, your cycle time, all those things, there is a lot of cost benefit also. So it actually depends on the product. So if the customer's product is very important and has a lot of value, then inevitably they're willing to pay for it. In fact, if you see at IMTEX also, you have big companies like Trump, Armada, they're all foreign companies, but they do roaring business here. Because customers in India, that thing that they are looking for price is no longer the reality now. People are willing to pay prices. Even tier 1, tier 2 companies are investing in very high-end machinery, fixtures, laser solutions, etc.